Hey friends, welcome back. It's so nice to be here. I've had a lot of my viewers send me private messages wondering where I am, and I feel that I owe you this. I have an illness that I deal with constantly. It's an everyday battle, and sometimes some days are worse than others. I think that my illness has kicked me a lot this summer. I have been busy with my garden, and I've planted a lot of stuff. That sort of really relaxes me and helps me deal with my illness. I shouldn't say gardening as in plants. I can't do plants. I tell you, I could probably kill a cactus. Vegetables, on the other hand, I'm it. Although painting furniture makes my heart happy, I just have not been painting at the speed I normally would. Does that make sense? I've been working on a piece for a little while, and it's just taking me longer to finish. Because of this, I've been painting, but ever so slow. I've also been dealing with something. It's test after test after test, and that sort of has put me out of that mood of painting. Just the little things, like I'll paint a little bit and then walk away because I cannot concentrate. Even though that's a passion for me, I just can't concentrate when your body's all out of whack, both up here and everywhere else. Anyway, be patient with me, my friends. For those of you that have stuck with me, I'll come through for you. I'll be there, and hopefully the next video I'll have a project for you.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other.
Jalapeno peppers are coming out nicely. These are some red peppers, lettuce, and these are different types of tomatoes. This one is a black tomato. It's called a midnight snack. The zucchini's coming along nicely. Cucumbers, love cucumbers. And this is what I call my Portuguese box, because this is collard, and in the winter I make lots of collard soup. Love that. I've got some lettuce here.
Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares.